Start with a slip knot. And chain 20, or else you can chain until it's around 7 inches. One half double crochet in the second chain from the hook, 1 and 2. If you hold the piece like this, it is difficult to see the loops. So hold it like this and you'll be able to see the stitches. 1 and 2. This is the second loop. Make one half double crochet over here. And one half double crochet into each and every stitch. This is the next stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. Next round, one back loop single crochet in each and every stitch. Hold it like this, you'll be able to see the stitches. This is the back loop. This is the next stitch. Continue with one back loop single crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Now just keep repeating this last 2 rounds until you reach the size which you need. That's 1 round of half double crochets in each stitch and 1 round of back loop single crochet in each stitch. Make one half double crochet over here. Once you reach the end, chain 1, turn your work and continue with one back loop single crochet in each and every stitch. This is how the pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.